Hi guys, me again. We're going to focus, our first honor that we want us to focus on this week, and you can do some of this on Sabbath over the weekend, is the peacemaker honor. Now, you can find the picture of it on the website. It's a little, a little blue circle there for that's called the peacemaker honor. Now there are really about five activities that you need to do there, and we'll help you through it. So the first question is, and yes, question number one, is to define conflict and discuss the difference between good and bad conflict. Now, the word conflict, it's already a negative word, right? Conflict, you think about fighting. There's fighting between two people. Not necessarily. The word conflict, and listen to this, and you can expand this a little bit more. I want you to expand this a little more. Think about conflict in a sense of difference of opinion. Now remember, you and your friend, you may be look at a bird, and the one says, that bird is red. Another one says, no, that bird is green. Or you look at a chameleon, and the one says, the chameleon is pink. The other one says, that chameleon is green. The point is, there's a difference of opinion based on how the two of you view things from one perspective. That is conflict. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be good, nor necessarily have to be bad. Conflict depends on what the outcome of it is. Now, think about it. Think about if you and your friend have that argument, right? Not an argument, but if you have that difference of opinion, and how does it make you feel? How do you feel about it? Do you feel that you're angry at that person? Or do you feel you just have a difference of opinion? Now, think about that when you think about conflict. Now, I want you to define it, and define what it means, perhaps what it feels like to have a difference of opinion. The second thing that in that question is to define conflict and discuss the difference between good and bad conflict. Now, what is good conflict? Good conflict, what I said is difference of opinion, but you still remain friends. You can argue with each other and laugh about it, or you can just argue with each other and you say, okay, I respect your decision. I respect the way you view it. That's okay. Maybe our differences, our difference of opinion, we leave it there. That's good for conflict, so that you end up still being friends, but you are okay with differing with one another. The second kind of conflict is the bad one. Now, this is one where I want to challenge you and think about ending in war. You think about Iraq war, any war that has happened, the First and Second World War, there's conflict there, but it ends up killing people. It ends up hurting people. Bad words being spoken. There's a fight. That's bad conflict, and you don't want to be in that particular part of your life. So, here's the question. I want you to define it. I want you to think of what it means, and especially I want you to think about what it makes you feel when there's good conflict, when there's bad conflict. And another line I want you to think about, what advice can you give somebody or two people that's in a situation of bad conflict? Okay?